Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mylee Beauty YouTube channel. My name's Eleanor and I'm a brand ambassador for Mylee, and today I'm going to be showing you a really easy but really effective rainbow nail art design. This is to celebrate LGBT plus History Month, which is the month of February. So I'm going to be using a range of Mylee shades, and this is the design that we're going to be creating. So if you'd like to see how I did this, please keep on watching. I'm starting off first with this really pretty silver holographic shade. It's called Hollywood Twist. I thought this would be a good base because it reflects rainbows when it hits certain lights because of the glitter particles in it. I'm applying one thin coat to start with and curing this for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go back in with a second thin coat. It's important to keep it as thin as you can because we're putting lots of nail art on top. And again, just going to cure this for 30 seconds. The first colour of my rainbow is going to be as red as it gets. And to do this design, I'm using a nice long thin brush. So what you need to do is load up your brush with plenty of product and then in one smooth motion, sweep the brush across the nail in any squiggly shape you like. It doesn't matter at all. Once you're happy with the thickness, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next, I mixed my own orange shade using New Flame, which is a jelly colour, and Break the Ice. I did this so I could get just the right brightness I wanted for this rainbow. So you're going to do exactly the same thing again, load up with plenty of product and then sweep it across the nail, this time following the colour you did last. You can go back in and touch up as I did here if you want to adjust the thickness or just smooth out any edges, it's not a problem. And again, once you've done that, pop it into the lamp for 30 seconds. Next up, the yellow color I'm using is Lemon Squeeze. And again, not much for me to say here, just continue in exactly the same pattern in a nice sweeping motion across the nail. You don't need to worry too much about the outside edge being tidy because like I said, you're going to cover that up with the next color anyway. The next color I went in with was Popsicle, but I did end up mixing that with a little bit of Lemon Squeeze because it was a little bit too blue for my liking when I went in. So all you're going to do is continue all the way through the rainbow, and I did red, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. The blue I used was Santorini Rooftops, and the purple that I used was Keep Your Fuchsia On. This is just a quick look for you to see what it looked like with the last colours. A really handy tip when doing nail art like this with lots of different layers is to apply a sort of thin layer of builder gel before you apply your top coat. This is really, really helpful because when you're adding lots of different lines and shapes and things onto the nail, it can get a little bit sort of lumpy and things won't be as smooth. So if you just apply a builder gel over the top, it'll even everything out to one nice layer. And then as you can see, you can come in with your no wipe top coat at the end just to finish everything off, seal it in and add that really glossy shine at the end. I cured the builder gel for a full 60 seconds and then cured the top coat for 30 seconds. So this is the finished look. I did do this on a set of press-ons because I wanted to wear them myself and my nails aren't very long at the moment, but don't be fooled, you can do this on any length nails that you like, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is shorten the length of the lines and maybe make them a little bit thinner to accommodate the size of your nail bed. So this is what they looked like when they were on my hands at the end. I absolutely loved how they turned out. I thought it was really effective when it was all put together. All the products I use in today's video will be linked in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Mylee Beauty YouTube channel too and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos or videos from the other ambassadors. I really hope you enjoyed watching and that you learned something. If you do have a go at recreating, please do tag the Mylee Beauty Instagram so we can take a look. Hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!